Hello everyone, this is Kevin Finance. Welcome back to my channel. I read an interesting article recently about former President Donald Trump meeting with top people from the Bitcoin mining industry at his resort in Florida. This was the first time he had directly talked to the tech experts who helped run and secure the massive $1.3 trillion Bitcoin network. It seems Trump is a big supporter of Bitcoin mining happening in the United States. He wants all future Bitcoin mining to take place within the country. I can see some potential upsides to this approach. First, he thinks it could help solve America's energy issues. Bitcoin mining uses a ton of energy, but if done with renewable energy sources like solar or wind, and by reusing energy waste, it could put that excess energy to good use. This could motivate building more renewable energy projects. Trump also said Bitcoin mining could create new jobs, especially in rural areas where many mining sites are located. These rural communities often struggle economically, so bringing in a new industry like Bitcoin mining could revive them with job opportunities and investment. The group also talked about manufacturing the specialized Bitcoin mining rigs called ASICs in the US to bring more chip manufacturing back to America. This could move a key part of the mining supply chain into US factories and companies. An interesting point Trump made was his concern over the US creating its own digital currency issued by the central bank called a CBDC. He feels Bitcoin mining could act as an alternative option to fight against such a CBDC by keeping things decentralized. Whether you agree or not, it ties into Bitcoin's core anti-centralization principle. What really caught my attention, though, was that these miners want to raise over $100 million and get over 5 million voters to support Trump's 2024 re-election campaign. They want to make Bitcoin and crypto a major issue that defines the election. From the special access they got, it's clear this industry favors Trump over the current administration in terms of crypto support. Moving on to Ethereum, SEC Chair Gary Gensler made some interesting comments during his recent Senate. He said that Ethereum ETFs are likely going to get approved by the end of summer. Now, Gensler's timeline for approving these Ethereum ETFs definitely caught people's attention in the crypto markets. But funnily enough, even though he sounded positive about it, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies actually went down in price that same day. Ethereum dropped around 4%, and Solana went down a big 7%. This drop in prices seems a bit odd, considering the SEC is expected to give the green light for Ethereum ETFs. The CC has already given initial approval to several big companies like VanEck and BlackRock, who are just waiting for final paperwork approvals before their ETFs can start trading. One possible reason for the market drop could be the latest statement from the Federal Reserve. They said policymakers now only expect one interest rate cut this year instead of multiple cuts. This likely made investors less hopeful about easier monetary policy. However, some analysts are still feeling good about Bitcoin despite the recent price swings. Michael Van de Poppy expects Bitcoin to go up, pointing to recent data that showed producer prices declined 0.2% in May. He thinks this could lead to potential rate cuts by the Fed, which he believes would be ideal and cause a positive market reaction for Bitcoin. Another firm, QCP Capital, also shared an optimistic view. They think the Fed will cut rates in September, but then take a wait and see approach for any further cuts later in the year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts down below.